pastors, fellow children of all us, my father, director, he was my rector when I was in Olas. I'm happy to be with him tonight. We are seminarians. It is our homecoming. And I suppose that we can always relate this homecoming with the gospel today. Jesus also went home, but it wasn't a jubilant homecoming for him. Why? Because people did not accept him. People did not believe him. Because people doubted him. Why? Because they knew him so well. So yun ang problema, kapag kilala mo ang isang tao, ayaw mong maniwala sa kanya. Tayo ngayon ay umuwi din dito sa Olas. Homecoming. Home. This is our home. Coming. It's always nice to come. To come home. There is no place like home. No place like home. I attend 2 homecomings each year. One at the USD Central Seminary, where I took my theology. One at Olas. So I see a big difference between this homecoming and our homecoming in USD. In USD, you attend the homecoming. You have the Philharmonic Orchestra entertaining you. You've got the Santo Buffet dinner. And you leave the place without even other people noticing that you're not. So that means it's less personal. Dito, alam mo kung sino lang dito kasi tayo lang naman. Nag-uusapan yung wala. Identify natin kung sino wala. So, makikita nyo, I would rather come home here. Spend my homecoming here. Because here it's more personal. Like, so, it's so simple. Like, no food. Nothing fancy. Pay 300 and you don't get anything. Dating ka, kahit ano lang ayos mo, kahit saan ka nang galing, I will be happy to share your story, your own stories. And so, we always cherish occasions like this. And we come to ask ourselves, how Olasya am I? So there's got to be something very Marian in us. Tayo ay mga anak ni Maria, ang reyna ng mga anghel. So, we are Marian in spirit. We do not let go of this devotion. The Blessed Virgin Mary gave me so much strength. You know, during my ministry, I've been ordained for the past 19 years. So when I left Olas, I went to the Archdiocese of Manila. As per recommendation, I was recommended to the U.S. Central Seminary by Father Paspitio, just to get rid of me. Very beautiful letter of recommendation. Sealed. Was sealed. Now, he does not know this. Ang labas ko, binuksan ko yun. Parang ako eh. Kahit sa envelope ako. Kami na kalagay. His Eminence Secretary said, what a beautiful recommendation. All lies. Because there, you know, I realized that he was right all along. I had a feeling that Father Jean was really affirming me all throughout my years in OLAS, that he affirmed my art. He affirmed my art. Like he knew that I was into writing, into stage directing. He allowed us, he allowed me to do it. He affirmed my very person because my art and my person were really inseparable. So he gave me, boundless opportunities to hone my craft. So I wrote scripts, we put up programs. We didn't study anymore. It's always programs. English night. We will wake up. We have whatever, music night, We have history night, we have PE night. Ako ay natutuwa kasi I had a different experience in UST. Although they gave me also some leeways, they gave me opportunity to put up the dulaan sa bayan in UST. In UST, the friars would have a say. My script, like they would critique, they would see if it's theologically sound, and if it's in line with the teachings of King Thomas Aquinas. It's always like that, So dito, malaya ko nagawa ang sining ko. Katulog, di Father Jim. And he was an artist. He is an artist also. Di ba? Boses Diyos yan. Kasi nagsalita ka, parang Diyos. Yung kumakanta. Di ba? In fact, mention him, my driver. He has memorized the songs of Father Jim Castillo. He sings it. Because my driver here facilitates retreat also. Because if I'm not available, he takes me. I don't believe it, but it's true. It's true. Because my driver has memorized all my modules. So I just come for the Mass. So he does the facilitation of this retreat. So he sings. He sings the songs of Father Jim. So dito sa bahay, sa tahanan, hinubog ang aking pagkatao, aking pagkabalik, ang aking pagkasining, ang aking sining. Ganun din sa bawat isa sa inyo. That's why it's always nice to be home. Malayo na nakikita ko na grace of our, kung natin mo, grace of our orgasm eh. This is very nice. Grace of our origin. I plan to adapt the same thing at the University of Kami next year. So grace of our origin. So here is where we all began. Like we were formed here. We were nourished. We're being nourished. We were all malnourished in our time. We were nourished here. Like we shared or whatever was available on the table with one another. Naalala ko nun, masakit na sa loob eh. Yung kaibigo na nakumuha mo, hihintay mo pa. Na nakakain din yung ibang members ng community, iniibog yun eh. Kasi kami ko kami minsan eh. Magpagalitin if brother did, galit siya. Kasi pahasa lang yun. May kaibigo pa ba? Namunga pala, still productive. No more? Meron pala. Meron pala eh. See? Hindi ko rin maintindihan mo kung bakit pagkatapos ng almusal na you're ready to attend your class, kami pupunta pa kami sa piggery. Nakakain pa ng baboy. Pagpasok sa classroom, may mga kids dito. So daliri. But it was nice to serve at the piggery and the poultry. Why? Because you have, they gave us this beautiful, this nice perk. Like, what is that perk? That's that bonus. Like you go to the movie once a year. Because of that. Talagang libreng sine. Para lang sa sine yun. So we were there during the birth of the whenever he would